Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So before we get into reviewing today's product like I always do, I am so excited to announce that I am starting a 9-day giveaway. So here I am holding a heavy box full of beauty products and I have 9 boxes like this that I am going to be giving away every day. Today is day number 1 and this isn't even like counting down to anything. I just feel like I haven't done a giveaway in a while. I'm so close to 20,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel and I just want to give back. I want to celebrate you all. I want to thank you all and I want to spread some amazing products to you all. And so there are going to be 9 chances to win so many different beauty products here. There's makeup, self-care, skincare, nails, lifestyle, so many different types of products that I'm going to be mailing out to a lucky winner each day. And it's going to be super simple to enter the giveaway. All I'm asking is for you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @thelifeofchristina. And then put a comment on this video and just let me know how to contact you. So very simple, those 3 things. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and leave a comment with a way that I can contact you. And this will be open for 1 week. I'll select a winner 1 week after each video goes live, and I will mail out these goodies, and I'm so excited to be doing this. Reaching 20,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel is a dream come true. So I just want to say thank you so much for helping me make my dreams come true. I am so excited to get into today's product as well because as I'm talking, my lips are feeling extremely chapped, just like they always are, but today's product sounds perfect for that. So I'm actually going to be trying out the Lottie London Y2K Glossed Extra Juicy Shimmer Lipgloss. And these were sent to me for free in PR from Lottie London, which is another dream come true that one of my favorite makeup brands sends me their products. And you know, I've got 2 here. I've got the 2 shades that it comes in. I've got Like Totally, which is this clear one, and the Over It is the pink one here. And you know, I'm going to put one of these into this giveaway. I think I'll put they're both probably clear, but I feel like just to be safe, I'm going to put the clear one in the giveaway just so it's more like universal, can suit everybody. But thank you so much to Lottie London for sending these products to me for free. It's still so incredible and mind-blowing to me. And I always give a disclaimer when products are sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I just love trying out Lottie London products on my YouTube channel because Lottie London makes such incredible quality products, but at great price points. These retail for like less than $6 each, and they are cruelty-free, vegan. That's something I really love about the Lottie London brand. And this also has so many moisturizing, nourishing ingredients in it, which I especially love for my chapped lips. This has avocado, jojoba, rosehip oil, and squalane. All really great ingredients to have in lip products. And so let's get into this. And I love the squeezy tube packaging. It does not get any easier than this. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, it even has that kind of like Y2K nostalgic lip gloss smell, kind of that like fruity candy smell. Ooh, I like it. Okay, before I apply it to my lips, I'm just going to do a little swatch here. Oh yeah, so you can see this one is also completely clear, but it does, let's see if you can see it on the swatch there. Yeah, it does have some beautiful shine. I'm not really actually seeing the glitter shimmer. It's called Shimmer Lipgloss, but I don't really see any shimmer, at least in the swatch. Just some beautiful glossy shine. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's see how this is on my lips. Yeah, seriously, so quick and easy to apply, especially since it is just a clear color. I feel like I don't even need a mirror to apply this to my lips. But oh my gosh, look at that juicy, glossy shine. Wow. Yeah, even on my lips here, I'm not seeing that shimmer, but wow, this is so juicy, shiny. I love that. I have not put on such a shiny lip gloss, I feel like, in so long. Wow, this is so pretty and so moisturizing. It really did deeply moisturize and really smooth out my lips as well, which I love to see. Like, it's giving a very plumped up look, especially with that high shine, but it doesn't have like a tingling, burning, plumping feel, but it really looks like I put on a lip plumper between how shiny it is and how smooth my lips are now. I love that. That is seriously exactly what I look for in my lip glosses. Oh, this is so nice. And for such a good price point, I have tried out so many lip glosses on my channel, of course, but so many more expensive lip glosses that are not as smoothing or shiny or just like coat over the chapped areas in my lips. And this does exactly what I want my lip glosses to do. It makes my lips look so much better. I don't feel like they're at all dry. There's no discomfort at all anymore. It's maybe a little bit sticky in terms of lip glosses, but that really doesn't bother me at all. So I love this. I'm so glad that whoever wins the giveaway is also going to get to try this out and hopefully love it as well. But if you've already tried this out, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. But don't forget to enter the giveaway. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.